Good morning, students. Welcome back again to the class of Art and Craft. Today in this class we are going to make a carrot. So students, let us see how we can craft this carrot. But before that, let me tell you what we need to make this carrot. We need green and red buttons, glue and scrapbook. First of all, draw a carrot with the help of your parents in the scrapbook. In this way, okay? Drawing is done. Now take glue and apply on the outline of this carrot. I am using gum instead, but it is better to apply glue. Now take red buttons and start pasting. Look it carefully how I am pasting. You have to also paste the buttons in this way. At first we will make border by pasting buttons on the outline in this way. After that we will paste buttons in the middle part of this carrot. This is because it will clearly define the outline of this carrot. Otherwise, the outline may look messy if we start pasting buttons from the middle. We have finished making the border of this carrot. Now we will apply gum in this middle portion of the carrot. Put little bit of gum and apply with your fingertip. Now fill this portion by pasting buttons. Keep on pasting the buttons one by one in this way. And also don't worry about the small gaps which is left behind. So students, we have completed pasting buttons on this root section. This is the last button I am going to paste. Slightly press it. Now we are going to make the stems. Put gum in this way and apply with your finger. Now take green buttons and start pasting it one by one. I am going to paste 4 buttons on each stem. Students, I want to tell you one thing, that you can also use orange buttons instead of red if it is available with you. Stems are also done. So today we have learned how to make a beautiful carrot with buttons. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Thank you.